dear friends, likely you didn't know that you can use MACD indicator to make your deposit literally 5 times bigger in just a few minutes. Well, today I'll share my whole working experience with you, explaining all the important nuances. This is why if you really want to start making money today already, I recommend you watching this video attentively and make it till the end. The link to the broker where I trade is in the description, and enjoy! So let's apply indicator on the chart right away. We open indicators panel and apply MACD indicator. So let's make it clear there. We open this panel, then styles, then apply an extra pixel to each line. Right here. We click save. Now let's analyze how to work with this indicator. So, this indicator is a trend one and it helps us to identify which moment the trend is changed. To do that, we need to tag intersections between lines on MACD indicator. If we see an intersection where a green line intersects the red one from top to bottom, like in this case, that is a good signal for the trend change from upward to downward. Then, in this exact moment, we would open a deal with lower. If we see an intersection where a green line intersects the red one from bottom to top, then this is a great signal to bet higher, and this moment we would open a deal with higher. Besides lines, there's also a histogram on indicator. This histogram consists of particular columns of two colors, red one and green one. Red column shows the strength of sellers, and green one shows the strength of buyers. We're opening deals on intersection only when we see extra confirmation from our indicator. And those confirmations are, first of all, columns for us. If we see the signal with lower and then we see red columns, then we can confidently open a deal with lower. If we see the signal with higher and then green columns, and then it's a great confirmation to enter with higher. Now let's move to trading. So, I see an intersection, let me open a deal with higher for 1 minute. Well, everything is pretty simple in this case. I see an intersection between lines. In this intersection, a green line crosses the red one from bottom to top. This is a signal for the trend's change from downward to upward. For confirmation, I can point out we've seen green columns on this intersection. Those columns mean the buyer prevails here. And more than that, I can point out that buyer was making great candles. As you can see, there was a full-bodied candle here. It means the buyer is strong and they'll be trying to go higher. And as you can see, my deal is closed confidently in the profit. You can see that on this principle, we work today. Let's refresh once again what we should do trading on this strategy. Well, first of all, we need to see an intersection. Secondly, we need to see a confirmation on histogram. And thirdly, we need to find at least one confirmation factor, candles, levels that confirm our entry point. So guys, I opened a deal with lower for $192. Okay, in this case, it's all the same as previously. It's just in this case an intersection happens. Green line is intersecting the red one from top to bottom. This is a signal for decrease. And on histogram, I see that seller prevails here. And as for confirmation factors, I can point out there is a particular level of support here that the price can possibly tend to. And let's also check candles. Seller was making great full-bodied candles here in their favor. These candles mean the seller is strong and they'll be pushing the price lower. As you can see in this video, I'm risking my whole balance. Yep, but for you, I recommend considering all the risks in your trading. By the way, have a look at this confident movement happening right now. And we take our profit. Great result. So I see an intersection and open a deal with lower for 1 minute. So first of all, I see an intersection where a green line is intersecting the red one from top to bottom, and this is a signal to go lower for us. I also see a confirmation in histogram. this histogram is showing the sellers dominating. And if we check candles, first of all, we see an engulfing pattern here. This is a pattern consisting of two candles where one candle engulfs the previous one fully. In this case, the red candle engulfed the green one fully, and this pattern means sellers dominating. And more than that, at the bottom, we see exact levels of support that the price can pretty much tend to. So we have 3 seconds left till the deal's closure. I think it's going to be a confident profit. Yes, as I've already said, we take this deal in our favor. Great. And before opening the last one, let me share an important advice with you guys. Please do not open deals when you see there is some accumulation or flat on the market. The thing is, when the chart is moving like that, there is no exact trend. And this is why volatility is increased on the market, which is causing MACD to produce false signals. This is why I recommend you trading only when you see exact downtrend or upward uptrend. So I see an intersection on MACD indicator. Let me open a deal for $150 with higher for 1 minute, and let's check what we see on the chart. As I've already said, I see an intersection where the green line intersects the red one from bottom to top. This is a signal for the trend's change from downward to upward, and accordingly with higher. I also see a confirmation histogram. It's all green here, and it means the buyer is dominating right here and right now. And as for all the confirmation factors, I recommend you watching how this indicator was working out in history. It can be really useful as well. Okay, let's watch the last two signals. First of all, I see there was a signal a bit higher here, and an uptrend happened after all. And in this case, I see the downward signal as an intersection happens here. Green line is intersecting the red one from top to bottom, and as you can see, downtrend indeed happened in the end. So the deal is closed on a profit, which is so great. And let's summarize results. As you can see, I managed to turn $100 of my balance into $845. Oh my god, such an awesome result, isn't it? Considering what we made deposit 8 times bigger. Now, just imagine what would happen if you were trading together with me right now. By the way, today in my Telegram channel, I run a free trading session on which each of you can copy or repeat my deals and earn together with me. These earning methods will suit you if you don't want to spend lots of time on trading, or if you're a beginner in trading but still want to start making stable money. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please put your likes, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye. See you.